It's a cool story though.
So, Alpaljl says this is an epic elevator. Well, we'll see what he means by that.
When you get off on the ground floor, you will see what I mean. The interior of the elevator is the least exciting part. How about that?
Oh, no. There's a little fountain show for us there.
Yeah. Gucci and I got a picture in front of that fountain. These used to never be frosted. That's new.
Oh, okay.
Basement.
So what's the cool was it the screens that were cool?
Going
Oh,
up.
they hung up.
The elevator, it says there's a sign that says the elevator is closed for service.
You want to ride the roller coaster?
There's a roller coaster here? Oh, I mean the elevator.
Because it's the other one's so loud.
Oh, okay.
I wonder why they made this frosted.
I wonder, is that what you wanted to show me?
No. Okay, we're gonna get off at G and wait until you.
Well,
Floor.
you know what? If this phone breaks, I'll come here to get it serviced. How about that?
There you go.
Yeah, we don't have that in Arizona or in Phoenix.
It is a beautiful design.
Ground floor.
Escalators go all the way to 7.
Oh, that's what you want.
Going up.
How about you take a look at this? Look at the indicators.
Oh,
Look at the call stations.
wow.
They're analog and they function.
That's awesome. Wow. This is a beauty right here.
Now you see what I was trying to show you?
Yeah.
Yeah, these indicators work.
Nice. Well, I guess that's it.
And then
We'll go, there's more?
we'll just take a look at this. Is that a beautiful? Oh, they put a screen on.
Oh, they did?
This screen used to not be here.
Oh, that's too bad. It's okay, no worries.
But
And
you
that's,
see the rest of the hoistway, isn't it beautiful?
yeah, it is. That's it.